What is Cynch? Cynch is your 100% cloud-based single-page application. Get immediate mobile-friendly access from any device with zero installation. Experience lightning speed, loading almost 18,000 assets in under 1 second. Our heads-up asset list provides critical information upfront, including pictures and open problem reports. Staff can report a problem without needing a login, which immediately generates a corrective work order or email notification. Streamline maintenance with bulk programmed maintenance creation and quick technician assignment. Cynch automates programmed maintenance checklists, and if one is failed, the system automatically creates a corrective work order. Achieve Joint Commission compliance effortlessly. QR codes allow inspectors to view a full, digital order and checklist history instantly. Cynch also manages full serialized inventory and allows technicians to create live purchase orders for parts internally. Cynch: compliance, speed, and control in one integrated solution.